Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another What's for Dinner. So this night we had taco bake, and I saw this on the Doherty Dozen channel, and I thought it was a really interesting recipe. So the base of it is actually pancake mix. So I did 1 cup of pancake mix and then just under 1 cup of water, and I mixed it all together. I had previously browned up some ground beef and added taco seasoning in. So I just let that cook up while I was making the base, and then I sprayed this this pan, and then I added the pancake mix to the bottom of it. I then added all the taco ground beef on top of this, and I just laid it out evenly on the pancake mix. Then I put it in the oven at 450 degrees, and she put it in for 30 minutes, but she had a much larger one, so I think this only took around 15 minutes. And then I took it out and I added shredded cheese on top, and then I put it back in for 5 to 10 minutes. So when this came out, the cheese was all nice and melted, and then you can just cut it up and serve it. You can top with your favorite toppings. You can add avocado, sour cream, salsa, anything you would put on a taco, you can put on here. I actually was in a rush this night, so I just put it on a plate and brought it with me, in a container, and I brought it with me. So it was actually really, really good though, and I highly recommend trying this. This night we're at my parents' house, and we ended up making naan bread barbecue chicken pizzas. So I just spread some barbecue sauce on some naan breads, pre-cooked a chicken, and then I just added the slices onto the naan bread. And then I chopped up some green peppers, and then I added those on there as well. I then topped it with some shredded cheese, and then I put these in the oven at 425, and these take around 10 minutes. It depends how crispy you want them, but I ended up making 4 of these, and they're so good, and we paired them with this chopped salad kit. And then this day I made this sweet potato and turkey bake. I loved this. My husband didn't really like it that much. It's kind of almost too healthy for him, but I loved this, and you can definitely meal prep it. I ate it for a couple meals after, so my goal is to make this at the beginning of the week and then eat it for my lunches, because it's just a really good, healthy, balanced meal. So I just cubed up some sweet potatoes and added them into this baking dish. I also put some onions in there, and then I topped it with coconut oil. You can top it with any kind of oil you want, but coconut oil is just super good for you, and I like the taste of it. Some people don't really, so you could use olive oil or avocado oil if you wanted. And then I put garlic seasoning and salt and pepper and chili powder on there, and then I cooked this at 425 for about half an hour, just to let the potatoes cook up and get soft. I also cut up some mushrooms to add into there, as well as some zucchini. So I browned up a pound of turkey and cooked that up, and then I seasoned that with garlic, salt, pepper, and chili powder, and then I added in the vegetables once this was mostly cooked, just so that they could get a head start on cooking before I put them back in the oven. And I like to season this really well, but you can use whatever seasonings you want. So then I added all this mixture into the pan with the sweet potatoes, and then put that back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes and just let everything cook up together. And then I put this in a to-go container, and this was honestly so good and so healthy for you. And yeah, like I said, I had it for a couple meals. Also pretty affordable, and just trust me on this one. Try it, make it for meal prep, make for your lunch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.